Alright, so this is at Changi International Airport in Singapore. I'm flying to Jakarta this morning. Flight time will be 1 hour and 40 minutes from Singapore International Airport to Jakarta International Airport. Alright. It's almost 9 o'clock already, but the sun is not up yet. I mean, it's already up, but it's cloudy though. Our plane over there, that's the Airbus A350-900 with Singapore Air. Yeah, that's the airplane right there. That's Airbus A350-900 with Singapore Airlines to Jakarta this morning. Alright everybody. Hope you all have a good day now. Let's see the planes here. Try to view the Singapore Airlines planes here at Changi International Airport here in Singapore. Alright everybody, hope you all have a good day now. Alright, hope you all have a good day. Take care now. Bye.